Laura. No Philippines ako, e fano may ako, e tupo akio in Dagupan, Pangasinan Province. Ko 100 Islands imuna, e moyo ay tinebrohe, muti igmiraka, miti ika. Ko ako te butike, o nga tamarike, e fa etefani. Ko tamaki makoro tako kainga nuho. Kete ako ki ICL, ko ako titehe kay Mahi, Tautuko ki Auckland International Airport. Ko Melanie Rodas tako inwa. Tinakuto, tinakuto, tinakuto culture. Pepeha. A pepeha is a traditional Maori introduction that is strongly established in New Zealand's culture. Individuals in Pepeha emphasize the relationship to family, tribe, sub-tribe, and geographies such as mountain and rivers. It is not only about personal introduction, but also establishes relationship and shared identities throughout the Maori community. Sharing our Pepeha right now can help us to understand our background and our values, fostering our deeper connections and our stronger bonds. Whakapautanga is a key idea in the Maori culture that refers to the process of building relationships, kinships, and family connection. Its importance is about connecting and understanding of people's relationship not only by blood, but by shared experience, values, and collaborative endeavors. It is also important for fostering of feelings and community and belonging, and motivating members to take responsibility for one another. By applying the concepts of Whakapautanga in our studies and future management approaches, we may foster a team and a work environment that is both efficient and supportive. What Maori values support Whakapautanga? There are a lot of Maori values that support Whakapautanga, but I choose to discuss Aroha. Aroha represents a Maori belief that encompasses feelings of affection with love, compassion, and respect for people. Aroha support Whakapautanga by creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere with kindness and positive tone. They express a genuine interest in the well-being as about their journey and as assistance if it is needed. Aroha is demonstrated by an act of sharing and being generous. There is an abundance of mentality where people freely give and receive without expecting anything in return. Aroha involves the importance of listening and empathetic engagement during discussion and storytelling. This is to ensure that everyone feels valued and heard, which strengthens the communal bond. In time of conflict and disagreement, Aroha guides the process toward resolutions. Rather than anger, they seek to understand each other's perspective, communicate openly, honestly, and find mutual solutions. What are my strengths? I consider one of my strengths is being the adaptability and resilience. My ability to bounce back and adjust when faced with challenges improves my ability to think and see things clearly. I see change as a chance to learn to grow, and I am open to adopt and adjust strategies if it is needed. Being collaborative. I am a team player with a can-do attitude, committed to support colleagues and a team goals. I have worked with different culture and group of people before, and in our previous company, we work together as one, and we always say, yes, we can. Empathy, it is my ability to relate to others more deeply. I always put myself to other people's shoes to understand and acknowledge one's emotion. My weakness, people pleaser, in the sense that I sometimes find myself hard for me to say no. And I always consider others' happiness first before myself. And self-criticism, I always doubt about my abilities and capabilities, or even the decisions that I made. Even my colleague already said that I was good on it, or I have proven competence and experienced success in the past, but still I always doubt on myself. That's all. Thank you.